But that's what you get from chewing gum all day. It's just disgusting.
If you hate gum so much, why do you make it?
Once again, you really shouldn't mumble, because it's kind of starting to bum me out.
Can you remember the first candy you ever ate?
Chocolate. You know, just last week I was reading in a very important medical journal that some children are allergic to chocolate.
Maybe I'm not allergic. I could try a piece.
But why take a chance? No son of mine is going to be a chocolatier.
Then I'll run away.
Go ahead. But I won't be here when you come back.